purify the body of toxins, helps remove toxins accumulated inside the body and prevent many diseases such as cancer and depression. Balance blood sugar levels. Garlic water contains more than 400 chemicals that interact with the body to activate it and promote the release of insulin levels naturally in the liver to regulate sugar levels. Relieve coughs and colds. Mixing garlic extract with water several times a day helps to get rid of a cough, as it helps calm respiratory infections, and then treat asthma and cough symptoms. Lowering cholesterol. Garlic contains a percentage of some compounds known as physoterols that help lower the level of harmful cholesterol, but this does not replace the intake of cholesterol medications, and it also helps to strengthen the walls of the heart. Eyesight enhancement. Garlic is characterized by its antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, which keeps the eyes healthy, and it contains a high percentage of sulfur, which has been shown to help prevent cataracts, especially with age and diabetes.